Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. And are you looking for a way to kind of give you a little cheating edge and help you have better and softer hands so you don't pull so much? Here's a little trick, let me show you. Alright, I'm going to show you this little trick here just with a pair of binding twine right here. And we have the center right here on our saddle. And what it is it's a piece of string connected to the saddle where you would normally attach the breast collar. And what this is going to do is as you're riding, you're going to run this through your grip. And this is going to remind you by pulling that you are pulling on your horse and you're not having straight hands. So I'm going to show you some students of mine using this. Alrighty, so we have the string method right here. And so basically what we've done is we have it so as she's riding, if she starts to pull on that string, she knows her hands are going to get too high. So this is going to give you kind of a warning of that's where your hands are going to be as you walk around the arena. So hopefully this will make you feel like you have soft hands. Okay, go ahead and walk off, please. Use your legs. You have to learn to use your legs. There you go. Come on, walk forward. There you go. Good. Walk forward and try not to pull. You have to have slack in those reins. There you go. Try not to pull on the reins. Everything. Now push your heels down. I want to see those heels really far down. And I want to see all that control stay in that little area up there. There you go. Good job. Yeah, you get to do a whole lesson like that. Isn't that glorious and fun? So you got to learn to use your legs. So if you want to go to the right, left leg, push and release. Get her closer to the rail. Push and release with that inside. I want to see those heels down. Push those heels down. There you go. All right, so this is Nikki, and Nikki has the string, and we are going to be working on proper position and trotting on the lunge line. Now she's got that little string, so she has to keep her hands in front and low in the saddle horn. And what we're trying to do with this is really trying to find the balance point and keep the hands soft. So she knows if she hits the inside of that string that your hands are getting too high. It's kind of a good little trick here, and it works pretty well. All right, so the first exercise in order to get balance is going to be that 2-point position. So you may need to reach up there, and if you need to grab a little mane, that's not a problem, but I need you to stand in your saddle and find your center. Because ultimately you want to be able to stand without your hands. So there you go. So you got to get the lower leg underneath you, and you're going to grip with the insides. It's harder than it looks, isn't it? Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and remember to see more, check out our playlists.